Hey there. So here's a question that I get every now and then, and this is from fellow mentorship master Melinda. She's asking, hey, I need to connect with other like-minded agents. While I love working from home, sometimes I need to run some ideas by someone and just connect with local agents. What do you suggest? So what I want to do here is I want to suggest 5 different things for you to plug in and be able to connect with not only other mentorship masters, but other agents in your area. So the first thing you want to do, it's super important. By the way, all these are on our frequently asked questions support doc, is you want to make sure that you're a member of your state and your local eXp group in Workplace. So to find any local groups, what you want to do is search on Workplace for your city. And this way you're going to be sure to stay in the loop on whatever events are happening locally. So to do that, all you've got to do is log into Workplace, and then you're going to go to whatever your city is. Let's say it's Tampa. Um, you're going to hit Tampa, then you're going to look for any local groups in the Tampa area. So you can see here there's a bunch of them. There's a referral group, there's a Tampa Bay listings, there's investment group, and so on. Um, but you're going to look for the main group for that for your area, you know. And then, like for example, here in Tampa, you can see there's 288 members. So whatever city you're in, try to find the group that is closest to your city, join the group, okay? And then that way you can plug in and be notified of everything that's going on, locally, because we do a lot of local events with most of the different EXP quote unquote chapters, if you will. So the second thing is to get involved. So if you don't see that there's a lot of local involvement, maybe you could be the catalyst in your area to get that kicked off. Number three, be sure to attend at least one honey badger training event per week. Remember, we do 4 to 5 live coaching sessions every single week with honey badgers. And as a mentorship master, you have access to that. So all you've got to do is go to the mentorship masters group and then go to the pin post. You'll see at the very top there's a pin post, and it starts with Hello Mentorship Masters. If you scroll to the very bottom of it, you'll see that click on the See More and then scroll to the very bottom. You'll see that there are all of the different scheduled honey badger trainings that we have right there. So make sure that I recommend you plug into at least one of those every single week. There's a bunch to choose from. You don't have to go to all of them, but try to do at least one a week. The fourth thing that I recommend is to be sure to attend our monthly Mentorship Masters Roundtable meetup, because that's where I announce things that we're doing as a group, any events that we're having live. Make sure you attend all. In fact, I'll go ahead and add that. Be sure to attend all of the company events, because if you're not attending our national events, then you're really going to not feel plugged in at all. So you definitely want to attend our national events. And then be sure to attend your state group weekly meeting. So every state group has a meeting every single week. So you want to make sure that you become a member of your state group. So again, uh, back in the workplace, uh, in the work, I was going to call it portal, but just back in workplace, you can just fill in your state. So let's say your state is Kentucky, and then there's a Kentucky state group. Find your state group. Your state group also has a lot of other information up here, who your broker is, and different, staff positions in that area as well. So make sure that that you plug into that. Um, when you plug in, you're going to be able to attend that weekly state group meeting, and that way you'll not be disconnected. You'll be plugged in and knowing everything that's going on, no matter where. My state happens to be Texas, so you can see we've got a lot going on. In fact, in our area, we have a Central Texas group, we have a Texas State group, but then I live in Austin, so we also have an Austin group. Okay, so I can go right to our Austin Metro group. So we have 3 groups near where I am. Um, So if I go to the Texas State group, I can see that there's 8,000 members. I can see who the leaders are of my state, all their contact information. and I can find out when the state meetings are. And a lot of times they'll have an agenda and they'll record those and play those back for you as well. So hope this has been super helpful. I just wanted to make this for you so that you can know how to plug in here, not only at Mentorship Masters, but at eXp. All righty. God bless.